So as an update, we have started putting the board on the inside. It starts at the top of the spindles, has a 45 on it, and then goes up to the roof. What we did was over on the other end where it hadn't been fully damaged, we measured what the distance was, and then we made the distance over on this corner the same. So what we're doing now, after we put this board on top here, it turns out to use the 1x8s that I have, I need to put in 2 layers for the front edge. So that's working out real nice. Now this side, for some reason, it's not the exact same. So on this side, we need a 3/8 inch. And on this side, we need a 1 inch. So I took a 2.5 inch strip, which is the width of this. And on the planer, I put it in and then cranked it down as I went across the board. And I did that several times, taking it back up to 1 inch so I didn't affect the beginning side. So now I have my tapered board down here. And we're going to put this in now. And this should fit right in here. And we have the 1 inch over there, and you can see it's tapering down. And we have an end here that goes on here, which also continues to taper. Ideally it would have been nice being one board, but what I did was I just shoved in the little one after the long one and kept turning it down. So now our 8 inch should fit right in here. And then after we get 2 layers of that in, maybe another front piece, we're going to let this roof down onto this. Now there is going to be a gap here, but on the inside there's another board. So that board is going to cover up that gap, and there's going to be a slight slope, which actually you would think it'd be the opposite. You'd think that this end would be the widest and then that end would be the narrowest, but I guess it doesn't matter because the roof is sloped anyways. It has its own pitches. So the difference between the 1/8 and 3/8 inch is not going to have any effect on the water. It's still going to run down because the slope's up above. And visually, I don't think the eye's going to really see it. Now, I don't know if the other end will be the same. You know, it's hard to say. But the main thing is that front is going to be straight across, which we definitely wanted that. And that should have been the case all along. So we're going to now put this in.